If you're coming for the first time, you probably don't know this, but my OGs on this channel know how much I'm very passionate about money, saving, spending less, saving more, investing more. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you are coming for the first time, I am a Nigerian lifestyle blogger and YouTuber, and I create content on the internet for your viewing pleasure and hopefully to help and inspire you. In today's video, I am going to be talking about money. I have 100 naira notes framed back there. If you know what 100 naira looks like in Nigeria, you know that when you get good 100 naira notes, it deserves to be framed. Naira note is really beautiful. That's what I think personally. I'm not trying to come and be like, oh, I'm a patriotic Nigerian. I personally think that the naira notes are beautiful. Enough of that. This time last year we had a video on savings. I brought my piggy bank saying that save more in 2018, but this year we are talking about budgeting and also saving more really. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some budgeting ideas, how to save more, how to be more prudent with your money in 2019. Now the first one for me will be review your subscriptions and if possible cancel them. You see, the thing is, like say for instance where I live, I filmed a video, my first video this year. You don't want to know how many times NEPA took light. Imagine now having that kind of power supply and I subscribe to DSTV, say the max plan, I don't know, whatever needs light in my house, and I only have power supply saying 3 hours a day or 5 hours a week. That would be me wasting money. Say I have a subscription of like 10k per month and I don't even have like, that is wasting money. There's sometimes that you also look at a subscription. It could be magazine subscriptions, it could be gym memberships, it could be TV subscriptions that you don't even use anymore. That's just taking your money. Review those subscriptions. Do you really need them? Even data plan subscription, review it. Review your subscriptions, cancel a few. By that you see that you're cutting back on a lot of money. Now the second one has to do with food. You don't have to always buy food. Where I work at the moment, food is a struggle. I think I posted it on Twitter that if you want to get like good food, like not fancy food though, average good food, you spend like say 800 naira to 1,200 naira to get good food with meat, not with chicken, with meat. Imagine spending that every day. I have colleagues that they ball out every other day and they're feeling fancy, but for me it is a lot of money to spend 1,200 naira or even 1,000 naira on food every single day, and then spend money on transportation as well. Like how much will I be spending per day? How much am I earning as an average Nigerian citizen? Prepare your food at home if you can. Wake up in the morning, prepare a light breakfast. I'm saying this, but sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, because Lagos can be crazy. Do meal prep for the week. It saves you a lot of money, like a lot of money, if you can just prepare your food from home. Now the next one I want to recommend is saving, actual saving. You can either use the mykolo, that's the piggy bank, I talked about this last year, or there are saving apps that you can use. I worked with Cowrywise last year and I still use the app. I have a subscription which I locked for a whole year, so by April this year I would unlock it and get all my money with interest. So you can check that out, or you can use actual piggy banks to save your money. So saving is key. You can do like 3 months saving plan, you can do like a year, you can do like 6 months, because really those things that you put aside, they come out when you least expect it. So I recommend savings. I've been huge on this from the beginning of time. I didn't open my piggy bank last year. I intend to continue this year. My sister is here, my baby sister is here by the way, and I got a piggy bank, was it last year, 2 years ago. I'm teaching her how to save as well, and she's going to, maybe it's when you enter secondary school, when you finish secondary school, you open a piggy bank. So like saving is very, very key. Teach your younger ones to save, teach your children to save. Now the next one is declutter your stuff. Now decluttering is very important. I do this at the end of the year most times. I've done it already. Decluttered a lot of my clothes, a lot of my shoes. Some of them are going to be going out to people who need, and some of them will be going for sale. Well, and when you do that, it not only makes you breathe, but if you can sell some out, it saves you money as well. Like it's not saving you money per se, but like it's bringing more money to your pocket. Now that is money that you didn't expect to get back, but you're getting it back. So look at all your shoes, all your bags. One needs to be fixed, fix it. One needs to be throw it away, and it makes you see things. It also gives you the opportunity to know what to buy, because many times you just buy stuff and you get back home and you see, oh, I have the same lipstick already. If you had decluttered and you had organized, you would have seen that you have that exact same lipstick and you wouldn't have gotten it again. So declutter and sell out stuff, give out stuff so that you can breathe. They can breathe oxygen. Now the next one is budgeting and learning to say no. This one I learned and I've been trying my best to do. Budgeting is when you of course write down what you want to spend per month or per week or per year on anything. Budgeting will help you not overspend, in that say you collect 200k for instance, you can say, okay, for food in a month I want to spend 30k, transportation I want to spend 20k, clothing I want to spend 10k, or I want to spend 50k, entertainment I want to spend this amount of money, saving I want to save 50k. That helps helps you stay within your budget, helps you stay within what you earn. If you do not have a budget, you just find yourself spending anyhow. Like they just call you, babes, foreign, let's go to spa and eat life. You just go, you spend. At the end of the month, money is gone. So budgeting is key. One app that I actually use, this is not sponsored anyway, is the Rich app. The Rich app is amazing for budgeting. It tells you this is how much you spent on certain things, because you have to actually put it there. You spent 5k on dresses, you spent on clothes, you spent 10k on entertainment. So Rich app actually helps you budget. It's a very great app. If you have not ever downloaded it or you don't know what it's about, I recommend that you download it. You guys know I give you the best on everything, so I recommend for budgeting, I recommend the Rich app. And you can also use Excel spreadsheets. Some people enjoy using spreadsheets. Yeah, some people find it pleasing to use spreadsheets. I recommend Rich app. Very amazing app. Links to your bank account. If you have more than one bank account, you can link all into the Rich app, and it helps you budget. It tells you, girl, you're spending more than you say you're going to spend on food this month. What's happening? It doesn't tell you that, but like it gives you signs. So I recommend budgeting and learning to say no, especially when people call you out for like concerts you didn't plan, parties you didn't plan, ashwebi you didn't plan to buy. Girl, learn to say no. The next one and my final tip is spend cash. You see this cashless policy, it will cover somebody. Akobalunda. Learn to spend cash. With all this, especially when you want to swipe card, when you swipe your card, you don't feel the money. Say you want to buy a lip pencil for 10k, you won't feel it when you like press your bank code and send it. You won't feel it. Buying credit online is the easiest thing to do, and that thing takes your money. Do you know, like I was talking about budgeting with the Rich app, I didn't even pay attention to how much credit I was buying online. The other day I just opened the app and I saw how much I had spent on bills, and a lot of them were airtime. I was like, girl, you're spending a lot of money on credits. So I recommend spending cash. If you can spend cash, it saves you a lot. When you want to pay 20k for something that doesn't make sense, you will feel it when you're looking at it. But when you swipe your card, you won't feel it. Just be like, put the pin in the POS, you get your stuff. But when you're paying cash and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you count 20, you ask yourself, this I want to buy, is it really important? 2019, I feel like 2018 for me personally was like a learning curve. I said this in my previous video. It was time for me to learn stuff, but this 2019, we're here to win, we're here to grind, we're here to make the best decisions, we're here to be the best versions of ourselves. And money is very important. Like, money is key in life. Money is very important. I need to start making intelligent, wise money decisions. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. Let me know, are you saving? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you found it helpful, hit that like button as well. Drop me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with somebody, and I'd like to see you next time. Bye.